Our nearest star, Sun, is a nearly perfect ball of hot plasma, and its core has a temperature of 15 million degrees Celsius, because of nuclear fusion reactions happening in its core. China is researching on nuclear fusion since 1958, and on test run held on December 30, 2021, their artificial sun ran at 70 million degrees Celsius, for 1056 seconds or 17 minutes 36 seconds, which is almost 5 times hotter than the sun. China is working very hard to make this work, and it's only a matter of time that China is able to replicate nuclear fusion, and will leave US and UK in the dust and become the world leader in energy production. Today we will discuss all the details of this artificial sun, and what it means for humanity. So welcome to this exciting episode of Tech News. Our topic today is China's artificial sun. Experimental Advanced Superconducting Tokamak, or EAST, is a nuclear reactor in Hefei, used to test nuclear fusion technologies, and has been an open test platform for China and international scientists to perform fusion-related experiments, with more than 10,000 Chinese and foreign scientific researchers working together to bring life to the artificial sun. EAST generates power similar to the sun. Nuclear fusion is replicated in artificial sun or auxiliary heating system of EAST by using extremely high heat to boil hydrogen isotopes into a plasma, fusing them together and releasing energy. China spent around $893 million on this large donut-shaped installation. While being in operation since 2006, it achieved first plasma on September 28, 2006, and the test ran for nearly 3 seconds, generating 500 kA of electric current. In May 2021, it made a world record by achieving the temperature of 120 million degrees Celsius for 101 seconds, and completed another milestone in June 2021, by achieving temperature of 160 million degrees Celsius for 100 seconds, which made it 10 times hotter than the sun's core. EAST's ultimate goal is to create nuclear fusion like the sun, using deuterium to provide steady flow of clean energy. Deuterium is one of the stable isotope of hydrogen, which has a natural abundance in Earth's ocean. If that energy can be utilized, it will require only tiny amounts of fuel, and no radioactive waste will be produced. Song Yuntao, director of Institute of Plasma Physics at the Hefei Institute of Physical Science, started a new round of experiment on EAST in December, and ran the artificial sun at 70 million degrees Celsius, for 1056 seconds on December 30, 2021, according to the reports of South China Morning Post, and said that, 5 years from now they will start to build the fusion reactor, and will need another 10 years for construction. By that time the system will be more hotter, and more durable. After that is built, we will construct the power generator, and start generating power around year 2040. The main challenges they are facing is to keep temperature over 100 million degrees Celsius, and operating at a stable level for a long time. China, with other countries, is building a research facility to aid in the development of core technologies related to nuclear fusion, and has named it Comprehensive Research Facility for Fusion Technology, or CRAFT, and as per reports it is expected to be completed by year 2024. With this, China will overtake the superpowers like US and UK to give mankind unlimited energy. But aside from political differences, how this technology is going to affect the humanity, and how can we benefit from it? Well, clean energy have always been in the books of researchers. With the growing use of fuels, the environmental pollution has become one of the greatest challenges our coming generation will need to face. The consumption of energy is increasing exponentially year by year, and as a result, the natural resources are being depleted at tremendous rates. The world is trying to shift to solar power to tackle this, but currently it's not enough. If this technology becomes usable for energy production, the world can have a much needed pause in the burning of fuel for energy production. It will be the cleanest energy humans have ever produced. But we also need to be extra careful than ever. Any accident with this tech will be a catastrophe on unimaginable way. We all know what happened at Chernobyl nuclear reactor accident. The city is still inhabitable for humans, and if this artificial sun goes sideways, it could end countries if not world. If we can learn our lessons from past, this technology will change humanity for better, and it will be the greatest innovation for mankind. If you liked the video, show us your appreciation with a like and comments, and a subscribe to the channel would be all we need to bring you all the latest news in the tech world.